Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to explore the general settings and how they help you keep your preferred behavior active automatically while working with the widget. Let's start with the Mapillary Coverage option. When this setting is enabled, the widget always shows the standard Mapillary Coverage layer by default. So instead of turning it on every time, it is already there when you open the app, which saves time if you regularly work with coverage data. Next is the Turbo Mode Only setting. To understand why this matters, it helps to compare Turbo Mode with Normal Mode. In Normal Mode, the widget loads Mapillary features only around the point you click on the map. This is useful for precise interaction, but it can be slower when you want to explore a larger area. Turbo Mode works differently. It loads all available Mapillary features within the visible map extent, basically the bounding box of what you currently see on the screen. Because of this, navigation feels much faster and smoother, especially when you are scanning across an area or doing broader analysis. When you enable Turbo Mode Only in the general settings, the widget always starts in this faster mode and removes the normal mode toggle from the interface. This creates a cleaner experience for users who primarily rely on Turbo Mode for performance and efficiency. Finally, we have the default creator option. Here you can enter a Mapillary username, and the widget will focus on showing images captured by that specific creator, along with their related coverage data. This is particularly useful if you want to review your own uploads or analyze data from a certain contributor without distractions from other content. These general settings are all about consistency, speed, and reducing repetitive actions, so you can focus more on your actual GIS work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.